Alright guys, we're back. So what you see behind me is Taylor Holder's Tesla Model X. He brought it in for the Starlight. Basically the job's done, the headliner's back intact, installed in the vehicle. We're going to be personally delivering the car to Taylor at his home, so stay tuned. We're heading out the shop right now. I'm in Taylor's Model X. Isaiah's following with the Lamborghini. Isaiah, could you hear me? Come on, drive it like you stole it. Right now, what I need is this damn sun to go down. That's what I need.
I'm pretty sure it'll be down by the time we get there.
I hope so.
Dude, that looks dope as fuck.
Hey, look, sit inside. Sit inside.
Right here, right here.
Right here, so you see the effect. You ready?
Yeah, let's get it. Oh dang, that shit looks dope as fuck.
Holy shit.
This is a vibe, low key.
Yeah.
Hey, this is hard.
Whoa, that's nice.
That's nice. Dude,
Y'all went crazy on this.
how many colors does it go?
Bro, you got so many options you could do on this.
Dude, because
Look.
I have these too. So reach
Like-
underneath the steering wheel down there. So you can see like you'll feel like a knob down there. Do you feel
Yeah.
it? Push that. So I got this too.
Okay.
It's kind of like a vibe in here.
Could you put on some music right
Yeah.
now? I want to show you something.
Let's see, what should we play here? Bro, those things
And then
are
look, like,
crazy. Bro, it looks like a Rolls Royce.
yeah.
So you like can't even tell that they're in there.
No.
Like, how the fuck do you put them in there? I don't even get it.
Bro, it's
So
a
is
lot.
it like,
It's a lot of work.
yeah.
It's a lot of work. I've done stars for like a couple of customers that have a Rolls Royce,
Mhm.
and they like these stars better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the Rolls Royce
My
stars are
friend
kind of
Jason
like
has
yellow.
one.
They're kind of like
Rolls
yellow.
Royce. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like a ombre or whatever.
Yeah.
It is.
I just got one.
Madison beer.
Addison.
Oh, Addison. Oh yeah, I didn't know that. I saw that. Bro, they are fire. They came out way crazier than I thought. Actually, I was like, at first I hit them, and because I saw like a different one, a different Model X that had like shooting stars in it too, and I was like, yo,
Yeah.
can you add that? And he was like, it looks a little tacky, honestly.
I think it's tacky, bro, because if you do it like in a straight line, it looks
Yeah.
weird, and then when it curves, it looks weird.
I feel that.
Like-
Dude, I got a vibey ass Tesla now with the lights
Yeah.
and the doors and everything like that, and the lights up top. It's a vibe.
That money clip us now, the new now looks like. Whoa, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's it. You're all set to go.
Bro, I appreciate you.
You want to do like
Oh,
an
man. Thank you for trusting
Yeah,
us.
dude.
I got a itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. That my best friend. That my best friend.
All right, guys, we're back with this Lamborghini Huracan project. The whole front end was reconstructed, been painted, ready to go. Customers about to come pick it up around 3 p.m. We're gonna go off site right now to do a nice video shoot on this vehicle. When the car initially came from damage, it had a wrap, right? It had a satin white wrap. I talked to the customer after seeing how nice the paint was. We decided to take off the wrap. So as you guys can see, the car is complete. Now it's time to go on a test drive. So right now we're going off-site to shoot a nice video on this car, to showcase it on our Instagram. Please guys, once again, if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube page, please do so. We much appreciate it. We take a lot of effort into doing these videos. Hope you guys enjoy it. Are you ready, Isaiah? Let's see how it pulls. I mean, it's popping way more.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, this one's way better. What year is this car?
This is 16.
2016.
2016. Yeah, this is about 600 horsepower. Very light car. I'm sure this one's pushing a little more because of the exhaust. The exhaust adds a little more horsepower to
Is it really?
Yeah.
You know, like the 2016, 2015, they all look pretty much the same.
Yeah, they're pretty much the same. These older models, like when you put it into reverse, you'll have a small backup screen towards the right side, where the newer ones, it pops up like it's a bigger screen. But overall, the car is the same car. And then you got like different options, like you'll have some that come with suede all around, suede in the middle of the seats, on the sides like this one has. Some will be leather. It's just different packaging. They wouldn't give us our coffee, but I did it. Mission passed. There's yours.
Oh, thank you. What is this called again?
This is the Ultimate Mocha. It's good.
Ultimate Mocha. Coffee Bean, sponsor RR.
Coffee Bean's good.
We
You
just
still
put-
got your camera
Yes,
mounted?
sir. We were passing by the street and we decided to stop at the Coffee Bean because Greg was craving.
This is so good. So this right here is actually it's a Vorsteiner spoiler, rear spoiler.
Why don't you get do you have a spoiler on your car? No.
I never have time to do anything on my car. My Ferrari's been at the shop since August. So August, September, October, November, December, January, February. 6 months. I haven't been able to repair my car. We just put the engine back on because I was just so slammed with work. No time.
I've been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag. You be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing. Fit in all in my fitness. I've been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag. You be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. My chain dance on my head big. My top heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me, they mean.